Hey guys, today I want to talk about the body for my R6 droid and how it was constructed. As I mentioned before, I decided on using composites for the body, and as you can see the main body form is complete here, so I'm not going to be building it on camera, but I am going to take a few minutes just to go over what I've done so far. Okay, first off, I bought a set of skin molds from a longtime Builders Group member who created and sold a number of skins to other club members. He also provided a few for use at a certain theme park. These molds create a set of skins. They're basically the front and the back half of an Astromech. These were often used over a frame, which could be wood or aluminum. These skins are similar to the two other methods that a lot of other builders use, the aluminum and styrene, but I think that they offer certain advantages. As soon as I pulled my first set of skins, I started to experiment with my options. I was convinced that I could build a composite body that did not need a regular frame, or maybe even no internal support at all. I started by bonding the skins together to form a cylinder, and then started to experiment with support systems for the legs. The body cylinder is pretty tough, but I needed to be sure that the legs could be supported properly, and they wouldn't splay out or anything after the droid had been driving around. While I was playing around with these concepts, I got impatient to get started on my R6, so I decided to make a compromise. I decided that for this project I'd build the most simplistic frame I could think of that would give me the support that I needed for the legs. I haven't given up on my quest for a totally frameless body. I think that I'm narrowing in on design that might work, and of course I'll post updates here as that progresses. The skirt on the bottom of the body is an interesting thing. I printed this in 8 parts, assembled them, and filled the seams. I intended to mold this and cast it as a composite part, but once it was done I decided to go ahead and just use the ABS skirt. I've since redesigned my model to be easier to mold and cast, and I'll probably have a composite skirt in the future, either for this droid or for my next one. So that's a quick overview of my body. If you have any questions you can post them below. And if you find this stuff interesting, I'd sure appreciate it if you'd subscribe to this channel. Okay, see you next time.